Hi, so the first video is on adding like terms. So again, this is review from grade 9. Our first questions go to page 458 in your textbook, question 1, and I'll just do 1A as an example. So here I have it set up where I have 2 rows of terms. They're already on top of one another as like terms. So here, all you need to do is, in this case, add or subtract. In this question, it's actually asking to add. So what we're doing is we're going 3 plus 4 is 7x. And 2y plus 3y equals plus 5y. And then plus 5 plus 7 plus 12. So we are just adding the like terms. Then the next question jumps to page 466, question 1, where it says simplify and collect like terms. I'm going to jump a little farther here to 1F on page 466 so that you can see a bit more of a complex question. So the first question is 3 minus t squared plus 8t minus 7 minus 6t minus 7, or t, excuse me, sorry, t. So what I like to do is I like to use shapes. So anytime I have a t squared, I'm going to put a circle around my t squared. So in this case, I only have one t squared, so just one circle. Next, I'm going to go to my t's, and I'm going to put triangles around my t's. So anything that has a t, a single t on it, gets a triangle around it. Remember, the sign in front of it also goes with that t. And next, I'm looking just for numbers, constants. So I'm going to put a box around them, remember keeping the signs. Now, after doing this step, all you do is write all your circles, triangles, and then boxes together. So my next row would be negative t squared, so that's my only circle. My next triangle would be plus 8t minus 6t minus t. And then I'm going to do my boxes, plus 3 minus 7. Okay, now I'm not done collecting like terms yet. T squared doesn't have a partner, so it just stays negative t. Then I have 8 minus 6 minus 1. So 8 minus 6 minus 1 leaves me with just 1t. Then I have plus 3 minus 7. So plus 3 minus 7 leaves me with negative 4. And now my question's done. Next, your homework goes to page 474. So page 474. And we're still looking at collecting like terms, but now we're subtracting. So as soon as we subtract, we need to remember that the signs themselves are going to change. So I'm just going to pick 1C this time. And it's 3x squared minus 6x minus 4. And the next one is 4x squared plus 2x plus 5. Remember, in this case, we are subtracting. So that subtraction really changes this to a negative, this to a negative, and this to a negative. It switches their signs. So all of a sudden, when we're collecting like terms, we need to make sure our signs are there. So now we have 3 minus 4. 3x squared minus 4x squared leaves me with negative 1x squared. Got negative 6 minus 2 gives me negative 8x. And negative 4 minus 5 gives me negative 9. Remember, when we're looking at this, if it's negative 4 and it drops another negative 5, that's how we're getting our negative 9. So this is just a basic quick lesson going over the homework questions, a review of like terms.